Charlie here. What I'm working on today is I'm starting a brand new flintlock, early style Hawken rifle, and I'm going to make a tool that supposedly will make my life easier. It's going to be a tool that will help gauge drilling the holes for the Tang screws all the way through the Tang, the stock, and the trigger plate. And also, it's going to facilitate a way of measuring how far down on the stock and where to drill your holes for your keys that go in through the stock and into the lug on the barrel to hold it down, and or for pins that you will put through the stock, and it'll go through the little lip that's on your thimbles for your ramrod. And this tool, I'm going to make it out of aluminum. I've kind of got it designed together. I found some ideas, and I'm going to try to put that together. So once I get this cut out, I'll show you more where I'm going with it. I'm cutting it out of a block of aluminum. Whenever you're cutting aluminum, WD-40 is your best lubricating fluid. Getting close to where I got it stopped here. So let me get this cut, and we'll go back to the workbench and I'll show you what I'm doing. Work with the lathe here, and trying to cut this C-shaped piece of metal out, and I want it to let's go up a little. Here's our cut. I want it to have some form of kind of a professional look when I'm done, so I'm making all my turns rounded out and stuff, and I'll show you what I've got once I get this cut out. Cut my initial cuts with the I think this mill's a little bit dull, but it might get the job done if I'm careful. Okay, so I'm just knocking off the edges on this for two reasons. One, they're sharp to the touch, and I'm tired of getting poked with them. And two, I don't want to take a chance of a sharp edge putting a nick in the wood on the stock. So basically, this is what I cut out on the mill. And what I'm going to build is, it's going to have a hole in the top with an adjustable screw deal that'll fit a drill bit. And then it's going to have a hole in the bottom that's also adjustable, and it's going to have a point. And I'll be able to slip this. Let's pretend this is the wrist of my flintlock. I'll be able to slip this over and tighten this down to the Tang, and also tighten this down to the hole that I want it to go through in the bottom. And then once that's tightened down and it's in a vise, I can safely drill straight through and hit the trigger guard or the trigger plate on the bottom and get my hole perfectly right. It'll be something that I can set up before I drill it, make sure everything's right. This goes through and hits the point of the bottom, so when it goes through, and then this will have two sizes for right now. It'll have a size for a 19 drill bit and a size for a number 29, I believe it is. And one will be for drilling the threaded hole, and the other will be for drilling the clearance hole. Also, I'm going to machine a slot up in this side, or one of the sides, that a flat-headed bolt will go up and that you could tighten down a wing nut. It's going to have a piece of metal on it with a point. In the top here, I'm going to cut out a barrel. The top 3 sides of the barrel. When I set this down on top of the barrel, so I will be able to adjust this side pointer up and down and point it directly at either the lug that I want the key to go through, or the little flange that I'm going to put a pin through to hold my thimbles down. And I'll be able to adjust that. Then when I clamp my stock to the barrel, I can set this on the top, and then I can mark exactly where that hole needs to go through, and then I can drill it with a drill press. So it's going to be a gauge to do that, and I'm going to work on it some more today. I'm still waiting for some parts to start this rifle, so this might turn out to be a good tool, and if it works out good, I hope some of you guys might be able to copy it some way, and I hope it gives you some ideas for drilling your holes on your rifle. Go ahead and stick with me. It'll probably take a couple of episodes to finish this out. Stick with me, stay on the channel, and I will update you as things go along. Dave Morelli, I'll see you next time.